Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to make an epic game in C++ and Raylib, so let's download and install Raylib and VS Code. To download Raylib, you need to pay a visit at their website, Raylib.com. Let's enjoy video games programming. As you can see, Raylib supports multiple target platforms. And also, you can use Raylib with multiple programming languages. Open their GitHub page, by click on the Github icon on the top right corner. Then go to the releases page. You must download the installer from the Assets section. After the download completed, open the installer. You can play Snake Game on the installer screen. Once the installation complete, you can use Raylib. Keep in mind that you need to put the Raylib compiler path to your system variables. Now let's install the VS Code. VS Code is an IDE for programming and developers. Open the VS Code website and hit the download button. Okay, somehow I fixed it. Just search VS Code download in Google and click on the first link. Then choose your platform and hit the download button. For this video series we are going to use Windows. Your download will start automatically. After the download finished, open the installer. Just follow the installation and then hit the install button. After the installation completed, open the VS Code from the Start menu or desktop. If you want, you can install some VS Code extensions for C++. Okay, now go to the given GitHub page in the description, and download the sample project for VS Code. Then extract the zip file somewhere, and open the directory in VS Code. Open the main.cpp file from project files. Here is our sample code to test if everything is okay. Click on Run Task from the terminal menu, then click on Build Debug. If you did everything correctly, the build should complete without any errors. And you can see the executable file in the project folder. Double-click to run it. Okay, we have set up our environment to develop a C++ game using Raylib. If you are new to C++, I have to warn you.
It would be extremely painful.
You're a big guy.
For you.
But there is nothing to worry about. This course is newbie friendly. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, so I can get closer to my purple Lamborghini.